इंग्लिश की बुक निकाल।
Great, amazing. Let's start.
इंग्लिश की बुक निकालने का है।
Yes, English. Okay, so the topic of today's story writing is write about your favorite day of the summer vacation. Okay, so we have to write about our favorite day of summer vacation. So Zainab, can you come off mute and explain the topic to us quickly? Zainab? Okay, Zainab is frozen. Amina, बेटा आप बताओगे टॉपिक का मतलब क्या है? Write about your favorite day of the summer vacation. बेटा आप म्यूट पे हो. बोलो.
ना तो छुट्टी रहती है ना तो उसमें फेवरेट क्या है?
करेक्ट. तो जो आपकी छुट्टी अभी अभी गई, जो अभी 2 महीने पहले यू हैड समर ब्रेक, इसमें व्हाट वाज योर फेवरेट डे? सबसे फेवरेट डे आपका उसमें से कौन सा था? यू हैव टू राइट अबाउट दैट. इज दैट क्लियर एवरीवन? कैन आई गेट अ थम्स अप फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू? हुदा, सोहम, अब्बू, असद, सैफान. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes.
ओके, एवरीवन एल्स, सोहम, सैफान, बोलना है आप लोगों को, ठीक है? ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. ओनली 8-7 people are on the meeting, on the call, and if you don't speak there will be no point in taking the class. Okay, ठीक है. What happened, Saifan? Okay, I thought you have a question. So actually, would anyone like to share with me what was your favorite?
Yes, Didi.
What was your favorite day in the summer vacation?
Yes.
Share.
दीदी मैं बोलूं?
Yes, Huda, go ahead.
दीदी दीदी संडे को दीदी.
Okay, what did you do on Sunday?
दीदी मैंने कलर की थी दीदी, फिर ड्राइंग बनाई थी और दीदी फिर मैं अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ गई थी खेलने के लिए.
Okay, in this you did in the summer vacation, ना?
और दीदी मैं अपने रिलेटिव उन लोग के वहाँ गई थी.
Lovely. So this you did in the summer vacation, no, Huda? हाँ, Huda?
Yes, दीदी.
Okay. Thank you for sharing. Amina, share next. Mute पे हो, unmute करो.
दीदी समर वेकेशन के संडे में हम लोग घूमने जाते थे.
कहाँ गए थे घूमने आप? भूल गए? Okay, सोच के think about it and then tell me, okay? Because today you have to write about it, so you have to remember. So think and then tell me. Asad Ansari, you share.
दीदी जब मैं वेकेशन में अपने मम्मी पापा लोग के साथ अपनी फैमिली के साथ घूमने जाता हूँ जब.
Okay, so where did you go? Asad, कहाँ थे आप?
दीदी I am going my family has
कहाँ पे गए,
my
कहाँ थे आप?
parents. दीदी हाजी अली.
Haji Ali, nice, amazing. Thank you for sharing. Abu, would you like to share?
Yes, दीदी मैं ना समर वेकेशन में ना लैपटॉप सीखा.
So what was your favorite day, beta? सबसे favorite दिन कौन सा था आपका? Any one day which you really enjoyed or you really loved? What was that day?
दीदी मेरे को सारा डे पसंद है. My favorite all day of the summer.
All days were your favorite?
Yes. And
Okay.
Didi, when I am really happy, Didi, when I use first time laptop.
Amazing. So you can maybe write about that day, right? The day you first used your laptop and how that made you feel, right?
Yes.
Okay, amazing. Great. So everyone has a favorite day, right? Today we're going to write about it. हमारी आज का class का
Yes.
we're going to write about it. So without further delay, let's begin. Didi will show you how to do this. Okay. So the first 5 minutes you are noticing, you are learning from Didi, and then you are doing your own. ठीक है, तो मैंने एक टेबल बनाई हुई है. Can everyone see the table on the screen? Can everyone see the table on the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Everyone, I want everyone to say thumbs up or come off mute and say yes. We are a very, very small group, and if we don't engage, then there will not be any purpose. Okay. Okay. So Didi has made a table on the screen. I will use this table to basically think about my my day. तो मैं अपने वो day के अपने favorite day के बारे में सोचने के लिए I am going to use this table. Okay, and इस table की मदद से I am going to come up with a lot of ideas which I will then write in full sentences. Clear? Hi Abhinav. We have just started. What we are doing is that we are going to do a Hi, we are doing story writing. Okay, so we are writing a story on our favorite day in our summer vacation. So we are using this table for it. ये जो table बनाई है आपके screen पे, we are using this to come up with a lot of ideas so that we can write a good and a long story. ठीक है, so Didi is going to model it out. पहले मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कैसे इस table को use करते हैं, and then you will go ahead and make your own table. Okay, so I'm going to start now. The first question in the table is, what was my favorite day in the vacation? तो पहले मुझे ये सोचना है कि मेरा favorite day था कौन सा. So Gargi Didi is just writing an example that my favorite day was when, I'm going to write here, my favorite day was when I went on a trek. Trek मतलब जब मैं पहाड़ पे trek करने गई थी, पहाड़ चढ़ने गई थी. That was one of my favorite days. So I went. My favorite day was when I went on a trek. तो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है जब मैं trek पे गई थी, जो मतलब पहाड़ पे चढ़ने के लिए. That was my favorite day. Okay, so Gargi Didi thought about her favorite day in the summer vacation. Now, what I'm thinking about next is I'm thinking about what was I doing at the start of the day. मतलब दिन के शुरुआत में. So now I'm gonna think, what did I do at the start? मैंने दिन शुरू कैसे start my day? And I am going to think and write. I woke up and had a bath. I ate breakfast, right? And had milk. उसके बाद मैंने क्या किया? I wore my shoes and I left my house to go for my trek. So this is how I started my day, right? What did I do at the start of my day? I woke up, I had a bath, and what else did I do? I had milk and had breakfast. Then I wore my sports shoes and फिर मैं चली गई अब मेरे trek के लिए. Okay, so that's how I started my day. Then I'm thinking, what did I do in the middle of my day? मतलब दिन के बीच में मैंने क्या किया? So when I reached there, I'm going to write that down. By the middle of the day, I reached the place near Kharghar. Okay. Then I started climbing the mountain. Then I started climbing the hill. उसके बाद क्या हुआ मेरे साथ? I took a break. मैंने break लिया. उसके बाद I'm thinking what happened with me? I took a break in between to drink water and eat some snacks because I was tired. Okay, to eat some snacks because I was tired. फिर मैं ये भी लिख रही हूँ कि बीच में जब मैं चढ़ रही थी पहाड़ तो मुझे वहां पर एक डॉग भी मिला बहुत प्यारा सा. So I met a dog when I was climbing the mountain and मैंने उसको biscuits दिए थे. So I remember that also. I met a dog when I was climbing the hill. तो मैंने उस dog के बारे में भी यहाँ पे अपने feelings अपने table में लिखा है. Okay, so far is it clear? Is this making sense? Is this making sense so far, class?
Yes.
Okay, so two more questions I'll answer. What did I do at the end of the day? So by the end of the day, I completed my trek. I successfully completed my trek and I went home and had dinner with my parents. Okay. I also showed my parents all the pictures, जो मैंने pictures खींचे थे, all the pictures from the mountain, and And I told them the whole story. मैंने उनको पूरा बताया, हर एक चीज मैंने उनको बताई. So this is what happened. This is how I ended my day. I came back home. I had dinner with my family, and I told them everything about my trek. Okay, and what was my favorite memory? Now, what is the most favorite memory that Gargi Didi had when she went on that trek? मेरे favorite day पे. So my favorite memory was when I reached the top of the mountain. जब मैं सबसे ऊपर पहुंची mountain के, I reached the top of the mountain and I felt very, very good that I completed it. So that was my favorite memory. I took a photo of the view and it made me really happy. So that is my most favorite memory from my day. Okay, so Gargi Didi has done her part, right? I have written my explanation. Is this making sense to you, class? Now tell me.
Yes, Didi. Hi, Didi.
Sorry. Okay, so I sorry, I have a lot of cough. Okay, so I have shown you how to think about your favorite day. मैंने क्या किया? मैंने लिखा what was my favorite day, what did I do at the start of my day, what did I do in the middle of my day, what did I do at the end of my day, and मेरी सबसे favorite part क्या था दिन का, मैंने उसको लिखा. Okay, now it's time for you to make this table in your notebook. Okay, so now I want everyone to take 2 minutes to make the table in their notebook and write down the answers to these questions for their own memory. So आपकी है, इसके लिए I want you to now write down answers. Okay, I am giving you 5 minutes to do this.
Yes.
Pause the recording. Let me resume recording. Okay, so we have come up with ideas, right? हमने ये table use करके talked about our favorite day, and we also know that कि हमारा मतलब favorite day क्या था, what did we do at the start of the day, what did we do in the middle of the day, what did we do in the end, and what was our favorite memory. We have thought about this properly, correct? Now the next step is for us to now write it in full sentences. तो अभी जो हमने table में लिखा है उसको now we have to put in full sentences. Now how do we do that? We will do that by drafting. Okay, so Didi is going to give you a very very short brief. मैं आपको एक बहुत ही short brief दे रही हूँ to show you कैसे कर सकते हैं. आप लोग सिर्फ मेरा देखोगे कि मैं कैसे कर रही हूँ, and you will try to do your own draft as homework. Understood? So in the next 5 minutes, I'll just show you how to draft.
Yes.
Got it? I will show you how to draft, and you will try to draft as homework. And tomorrow I'll give you feedback. Is that clear? Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So 5 minutes I'll take. 5 minutes I'll take to tell you. Okay. So as I am drafting, मैं क्या ध्यान में रख रही हूँ? What am I keeping in mind as I am drafting? I am keeping in mind these 3 things. ये जो 3 things यहाँ दी हुई हैं, मैं बहुत ध्यान में रखूंगी that I will use capital letters correctly. I will use comma, full stop, question mark, and exclamation mark correctly. And I will write my draft in 3 paragraphs. So पहला paragraph will be an introduction, second paragraph will be the middle, and the third paragraph will be the ending. Okay, so I will keep these 3 questions in mind. मैं सारे capital letters लिखूंगी, मैं बराबर से comma, full stop लगाऊंगी, and I will write my draft in 3 paragraphs: introduction, body, and my ending. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and draft, and you pay attention to how Didi is doing it. Okay. Okay, so this was my table, right? And मेरा क्या था? What was my favorite day? My favorite day. So I will always start my introduction. Okay. Gargi Didi is writing now. My favorite day of the summer vacation was when I went on a trek. Okay, जिस दिन मैं ट्रैक पे गई थी, I was feeling very excited and happy. So I'm going and joyful. So I'm going to write. It made me feel very excited and joyful. Right? This day made me feel, so Gargi Didi is writing, this day made me feel very excited and joyful. Okay, then I am going to take my ideas from the ideate, जो मैंने ideate किया था, मैं वहां से अपने ideas लेके I am putting it in a full sentence, right? So I have written my introduction. I am going to go now to my middle part of my story. Okay, so I'm writing when I woke up. So I'm changing the paragraph and I'm writing when I woke up in the morning, I brushed my teeth and had a bath. अब गार्गी दीदी is also going to check कि मैंने सारे capital letters लिखे हैं कि नहीं लिखे हैं, and I'm going to see when का W capital होना चाहिए, I का I भी capital होना चाहिए. So ये एक mistake मैंने करी, and I'm going to see if I have put comma and full stop correctly. When I woke up in the morning, I brushed my teeth and had a bath. गार्गी दीदी thinks कि यहाँ एक comma आना चाहिए, तो मैंने यहाँ पे एक comma डाला है. When I woke up in the morning, I brushed my teeth and had a bath. अभी ये सही लग रहा है मुझे. Now I'm going to read ahead. I then left my house to reach the hills. अभी hills का H capital होना चाहिए क्लास कि नहीं होना चाहिए? हाँ
दीदी होना चाहिए.
Are you sure? Hills बोल रहे हैं ना? It can be any hill. हिल हो सकता है. मैं हिल का नाम थोड़ी बताया मैंने.
नहीं होना चाहिए.
No, right? So I will change it to hills. So I left my house to reach the hills. Okay. Then फिर मैं लिखूंगी then when I reached the hills, I started climbing the mountain. Okay. अभी मुझे यहाँ पे क्या लगाना चाहिए? Full stop क्या question mark क्या comma? मंथन?
दीदी
Full stop, right?
Yes, दीदी full stop.
Full stop I will put, and then I will say when I was climbing my mountain, when I was climbing the mountain, I met a very cute dog.
दीदी आपने एक मिस्टेक की है.
Where? Tell me.
दीदी आपने वैन का W कैपिटल ये बड़े अक्षर से लिखा, पर दीदी आपने जो आई वॉश का आई था दीदी वो बड़ा लिखा है.
कहाँ पे?
दीदी आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिखा रही है.
कहाँ पे ईसा? मैंने कहाँ पे क्या लिखा है बताओगे?
Brush. When I brushed my teeth and I left my home to reach hills. Then I reached the hills climbing mountain. I was का दीदी I जो है ना I was climbing the hill. तो दीदी I was when I तो दीदी वो I को कैपिटल रखना चाहिए कि नहीं?
कैपिटल रखेंगे ना ईसा. I हमेशा कैपिटल होता है हमेशा.
Okay दीदी, thank you.
Okay, great question. Thank you for asking. तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या दिखाना चाह रही हूँ आपको क्लास कि मिडिल में आप सारे डिटेल्स लिखोगे and you will keep your capital letters and question mark and comma full stop in mind. ठीक है. फिर आपका मिडिल जब पूरा आप कंप्लीट कर लोगे, मैं पूरा नहीं कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे, ऐसे मैं डैश मार के I am leaving this. Okay, but जब आपका मिडिल वाला पार्ट हो जाएगा, then you will go to the last part. My favorite memory. My most favorite memory from that day was when I reached the top of the mountain. So Gargi didi का memory क्या था? Was when I reached the top of the mountain. तो ये मेरा सबसे best memory है. Okay, and मैं लिख रही हूँ I cannot wait to go back on my trek. मुझे फिर से ट्रैक पे जाने का बहुत वेट है. So I'm writing that. Okay, that's how I've ended. Now I'm going to check the checklist. क्या मैंने हर जगह full stop comma बराबर से लगाया है? Have I put everything? Can everyone check with me? Can everyone check with me कि मैंने सब सही से किया है कि नहीं?
Yes दीदी.
Are you sure? All my points are correct. So first is that
दीदी आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिखा रही है।
okay, Asad Ansari, अब मैं आपको वीडियो सेंड करूंगी, आप वीडियो देखोगे। ओके, एवरीवन कैन यू चेक कि मैंने सब कॉमा फुल स्टॉप सही से लगाया है कि नहीं लगाया है?
Yes, दीदी।
एवरीथिंग इज राइट, आर यू श्योर?
दीदी आपने वो वॉज वेरी प्लेफुल के बाजू में ये आपने क्वेश्चन मार्क क्यों डाला है? आई हैव
वो
डाउट।
गलती करी दीदी ने, राइट? सो क्वेश्चन मार्क चेंज एंड व्हाट शुड आई राइट इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट, ईसा?
एंड दीदी ट्रैक के बाद में दीदी जब भी सेंटर दीदी सेंटेंस दीदी एंड होता है तो दीदी उधर पे फुल स्टॉप होना चाहिए।
Correct. But when I want to say something with a lot of excitement now, then I can put exclamation mark also, right? If I want to say, oh my God, I can say, oh my God, exclamation mark, correct? So, playful की जगह पे मैं क्या करूंगी? Playful की जगह पे मैं हटा के question mark हटा के full stop, right? Because वहां पे sentence खत्म हो रहा है. And
Okay,
Gargi Didi has also, yeah, thank you, Isa. And Gargi Didi has also written in 3 paragraphs. मैंने 3 paragraphs भी लिखे हैं. First paragraph is my introduction paragraph. Second paragraph is my middle, where I wrote all my details. And my last paragraph is where I wrote my favorite memory from that day. And my last line, I cannot wait to go back on my trek. Okay, तो मैंने आपको दिखा दिया है कि कैसे ड्राफ्ट करते हैं. So as you are drafting, what are you keeping in mind, class? आप क्या ध्यान में रख रहे हो? You are keeping these 3 things in mind कि आपको सारे capital letters use करने हैं. You have to use capital letters correctly. I mean, you have to use comma, full stop correctly, and you have to write your draft in 3 paragraphs. Okay, now you will try to do this as your homework. Okay, and you will send your drafts to me. You will send it to Gargi Didi directly.
दीदी